Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video latest and trendy collection of pixie haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, stylish and trendy hairstyling, and so beautiful overall collection in pixie in short hair with beautiful hair dye hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I have a request, please you watch this video to learn. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and a very attractive collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and so beautiful cute ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and so stylish, attractive, eye-catching colors of a dye. Burgundy hair dye in today's my collection, lightly burgundy, dark burgundy, and blonde color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, dazzling blonde, gold blonde, and grey color, black color, light brown, dark brown, funky colors, and so beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in dark base color, and ash blonde with dark base color, and so beautiful collection of funky colors in light base color, and so beautiful combination of highlights with base color, and trendy ideas of hairstyling, fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and messy hairstyle, choppy hairstyle, and very attractive ideas of short hair in pixie for girls and women use. You see in this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look very stylish and you look very sweet and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it on all our social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.